Hello everybody, my name is Kaan. Today I would like to talk about a popular topic who is asked by you a lot of times. The address registration and the utility bill registration on your name. These two topics are related very much. So firstly, in this video, I will talk about how you pass in your name gas bill, electricity bill and water bill. Then in a series, in the next video, I will talk about address registration in detail. Firstly, for doing address registration, you need to have a bill on your name. It can be gas bill, electricity bill, or water bill. But how to pass it on your name? Firstly, you need to gather some documents, which are, you need to have a notarized rent contract. You need to have resident permit and you need to have the copy of resident permit. You need to have earthquake insurance. You need to have the number of water meter, the number of electricity meter. You need to have the number of gas meter. This is really important. Water meter is generally just outside of your apartment on next to your door. Gas meter also on the upside of your door when you go outside from your apartment, from your indoor apartment. When you just look at the left, you will see probably on the top of your door the gas meter. Electricity meters can be just outside your door, or they are generally also in the basement. You need to take photos of the number of these meters. With these information, you will go to registration points of gas, water, or electricity. There are lots of them through Istanbul or other cities as well. For example, in Beyoğlu or in Şişli, we can talk about İSKİ, the water place, in Feriköy. Electricity place in Perpa. Gas place is in near Çağlayan Court and near Şişli. İGDAŞ we call it. You need to check for gas İGDAŞ points, for water İSKİ points, for electricity in European side CK Electric, CK Electric, in Asian side Enerjisa. You need to check registration points and register yourself on your name. If you are the property owner, you cannot show rent contract, therefore you will show the title deed copy. If you don't know the meters, but if you have a previous bill on previous tenant on or landlord's name, it will work also, because they will check from the bill number, previous bill number, your account, and you can pass it in your name. That's an alternative solution. Don't mix registration points to payment points. From payment points, we call it in Turkish vezne, you cannot pay, you cannot register yourself the bill in your name. You need to go especially registration points, which are a bit more difficult than finding payment points, unfortunately. But you can search from Google Maps, Apple Maps, Yandex about these registration points. When you pass your bill on your name, there will be a deposit to pay. Generally, they reflect these deposits on gas, water, electricity on your bill with 2 or more installments. You will pay the deposit. When you finish your contract, you can cash back, you can take it, this deposit back. Thank you for watching me. Thank you very much. Have a very lovely day. And for more information about immigration and legal issues, please don't forget to follow my channel and stay updated. Thank you very much.